I remember it started in 2004 when I just got back from Middle East after having many years out of the country. I met Mr. Parveen Singh Sahni and I was really impressed. We had a very long conversation. He was very passionate to get something in India which was not existing that time.
We have started this project with complete feel that people will come here and they will go with different kind of experience.
10 years ago, there were no good Italian restaurants, and even if there were any, did not serve authentic Italian cuisine. I was traveling to Italy very often, and I always wondered why I cannot have the same quality of food, same variety of food which I have in Italy. Basically, it's amazing if you go down to heart of Tuscany. It's a wooded area, very quiet. Tonino has a jungle actually on 3 sides of the property, and I could just imagine the ambience when we thought about making a Tuscan villa here. It matched perfectly. So it was as if this land was waiting for a Tuscan villa to be built upon it, and that's what we did.
He was very clear to convert this Torino as a destination, and that was his passion. Initially, when we were in Italy, trying our Indian flour to make a pizza, we had a lab test, we had a pizza session, we had a tasting session. We made the pizza out of Indian flour, out of Italian flour. The recipe has been created by Chef Tonino General in Italy.
From day one, we have not compromised on quality. So we actually import most of our ingredients, something as basic as flour from Italy. I mean, if it's expensive, no other restaurant will do it. We're going to maintain the same quality of food as you would get in Italy.
Ms. Sahni never compromised with the quality of food. Our pizza is rated one of the best pizza in town.
Many of my friends from Italy, my collaborators from Italy, and my different companies come down here, and the best comment I hear from them is that the food in Torino is sometimes better than what they get back home. So a huge, huge compliment.
We always do different region food festivals, so that is very popular thing in our schedule.
Our Sunday brunch has been, fantastic, phenomenal, on, and people really like it.
To me, music is synonymous with food. We started working with these 2 gentlemen who had a small band called Errol and Daryl. It's been 8 years, we're still with them. They have a lot of versatility, right from jazz, they can play pop, they can play rock. Depending on which Sunday you're visiting Tonino, you will see them perform something different each time. They too, like the Tonino family, have been with us.
We have felt that vibe, the pulse, this. We're enjoying the people, we're enjoying the response that we get from the people, also the management, which has been very appreciative of our work and stuff.
It's an easy-going place.
When you're happy and you like to keep it going.
Chef Suman has a long working experience in this cuisine. When we were celebrating 10th anniversary of Tonino, same time Chef Suman got the national award for the best chef of Italian cuisine.
With this great time of 10 years, I have updated myself also because visiting Italy in different parts of the country.
Chef Suman has traveled length and breadth of Italy, and every province, every state makes the pasta differently. They make the meats differently. They make the basic ingredients could be the same, but the way of cooking changes. So he has traveled to different parts of Italy and he incorporates a different dish, a different cuisine each time when he comes back to India. So if you look at a Tonino menu, it's a mix of various regions of Italy, various meats, various pastas, all denoting a different province, region of Italy incorporating. So we have a multi-provincial menu from Italy.
People here come for experience. Our client enters the restaurant, it's a family. So we treat them as a family.
70% of guests are regular. That shows that what kind of food, what kind of service, what kind of ambience we provide them.
Again, that word comes, chi mangia bene, viva bene. Who eats well, lives well. And that's the philosophy of the guest, and we really respect them.